Milk and honey. In the Middle Ages, an open field system was widely adopted for agriculture. Each village or settlement had a few 100-acre fields which were then subdivided into strips for cultivation by peasant families. Evidence of these strips can still be seen above Westcombe Hill Farm. Since the 12th century and accelerated by the Black Death in the 14th century, land became divided up privately, bought and sold as a commodity. In the 15th century, an increase in the value of meat and wool caused livestock to be moved into separated enclosures when before they had been grazing on common lands or used to fertilise harvested fields. In the 19th century, the expansion of the Great Western Railway was a catalyst for the industrialisation of the South West, allowing quick-to-spoil dairy products to be enjoyed from Bristol to London. In World War II, cheddar and milk became a staple of the rations as a source of important nutrients, energy and protein. By the 50s, technological advancements made refrigeration widely accessible and liquid milk solidified its place in the Western diet. The dissolution of the Milk Marketing Board in the 90s allowed milk to be traded as a commodity in a free market, with competition driving down the price. Despite the consumer price index rising by 100%, milk price only increased by roughly 30% in the same amount of time, hinting at the difficult economic climate modern farmers face. During this time of rapid industrialisation, Westcombe Dairy operated like a cooperative, accepting milk from a number of farmers in varying quantities. It would then be pasteurised before being made into block cheddar. The factory ran 7 days a week, and the yearly cheese production was 13,000 tonnes, compared to just 150 tonnes today. At the time, there was heavy use of fertiliser across the farm. They used 100 tonnes of nitrogen fertiliser over 200 acres, when last year they used 30 tonnes over 800 acres. The grass used to be very dark green, an indicator of excessive nitrogen fertiliser use. This would form a green and wet silage, low in nutrients, exacerbating the need for supplemented feed. When cheese is sent off to the supermarket in plastic packets, the customer chooses between the range of cheddars based on value rather than taste. It is a commodity. By operating outside of the commodity market, Westcombe cheese is tasted alongside 3 or 4 other raw milk cheddars on the counter at Neal's Yard Dairy. Customers choose the best tasting cheese. Therefore, they can afford to make changes to operations based on quality rather than economy.